Hey, happy campers, and welcome to Taste Great Outdoors, where we make easy recipes that you can make in minutes at your campsite. This is Blueberry Cobbler, a burst of flavor in every bite thanks to deliciously tart blueberries topped with a crispy, sweet oat crumble. It gives gourmet, but it's actually super easy to make, so let's jump into it. So the secret to this recipe is that the prep actually starts at home. Before you head out on your trip, you're going to combine the oats, sugar, flour, and cinnamon in a resealable bag. When you're ready to start cooking, add butter to the dry ingredients and work it in with your fingertips until it's nice and crumbly. It should look a little something like this. Next, layer your blueberries on the bottom of the skillet and sprinkle that sweet oat crumble over the top. Then you're going to tent some foil on the skillet to create a kind of makeshift oven and bake for about 20 minutes over medium heat. While you wait, now would be a great time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. And if there are any other camp recipes you'd like to see, drop us a comment below. And here it is, Blueberry Cobbler. It tastes straight from the heart of Maine blueberry country. If you can manage it out in the field, a scoop of vanilla ice cream is just divine here. But you really can't go wrong with a big dollop of whipped cream either. For the full Blueberry Cobbler recipe, check out the video description. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, don't forget to like and subscribe and let us know what camp meals you love to cook in the comment section below.